With the Nairobi Securities Exchange having lost close to 28% over the course of 2011, closing at 3,205.02 points, investors are expected to adopt a wait-and-see attitude to the securities market. Gains made in 2010 in a low interest rate environment were eroded by increased government spending, high economic growth, and a positive outlook boosted share prices across all sectors. With even more uncertainty over the election date, analysts say the market is expected to remain subdued because of the effects of inflation and high interest rates. The International Criminal Court cases, whose decision for confirmation of charges is expected this month, and increased political activity in the run-up to the general elections.
We have two scenarios. We're saying our best case scenario is for the index to be at 3,700. At those levels, but our worst case is probably see the index at around 2,800 close of the year.
So far, the stock market has experienced seesaw activity, analysts say, while most investors are on a wait-and-see mode prevalent around election years. However, there is a silver lining in the otherwise dark cloud, with savvy investors likely to make good returns out of the electioneering year, even as country watchers note the inherent risks.
In the second half of the year, we expect to see interest rates coming down and inflation will have dipped as well. So in our best case scenario, we were seeing inflation at around 10% in December 2012, and we're seeing probably the 91-day Treasury bill rate at around 11 to 13%. Then the stock market looks more attractive based on current valuations.
It is likely that vibrancy in the local equities market will be supported by growth in corporate earnings, continued foreign investor activity, stable forex, a low interest rate regime, and high market liquidity.
If you actually cut off the political noise, I think our fundamentals are still holding. So I think right now it's time to be an investor, not a trader. Buy long term.
As listed companies continue to grow their profits, this should in turn see an improvement in the performance of the stock market by the end of this year.